Hi everyone, Oleg Yershov here. Today we will be looking at Limit by Acon Digital, the plugin for clean and transparent limiting that provides professional results instantly. Limit gives you full control over peaks, preserves dynamics, and works effortlessly in your mix or on your master. No hype, no coloration, just loudness done right. Let's explore Limit in real mixing scenarios. First, a jazz ensemble. It is worth noting that for this and all subsequent examples, we use output level compensation for fair comparison before and after processing. On the stereo piano, Limit tames the dynamic peaks from loud strikes on both channels independently, without compromising the tone. Notice how the sustain and natural decay remain completely intact. The character is fully preserved. On the drum bass, Limit controls the peaks and keeps the punch alive. No squashing, no pumping. The transients stay sharp and our drums sit perfectly in the mix. Now let's look at a commercial track with multiple instruments and a full arrangement. On the main guitar, Limit protects our mix from unexpected peaks while maintaining the emotional impact. The ceiling is doing the heavy lifting, so you can focus on the music. Individual track limiting isn't just for safety, it's about polishing each element. Limit keeps our synth consistent and sits naturally in the mix with no compression artifacts. And on the master, Limit brings everything together. Just a few simple settings, set our ceiling, adjust the gain, and our entire mix is protected and polished. No harshness, stereo integrity maintained, and professional loudness achieved instantly. Finally, let's push Limit's transparent control with a high-energy tech house track. The same track that's been powering this demo. For this example, I'm going to switch to Acon Digital's dedicated audio editing package, Acustica. The bass in Tech House is the foundation of the groove. Limit keeps it tight and focused, no matter how hard it hits. The look-ahead and release settings ensure that every transient is controlled, while the tone stays punchy and present. The drum bus is where Limit earns its reputation. With just the right ceiling setting, all our drum elements lock together. No pumping sidechains, no muddy compression artifacts, just clean, professional control that lets our drums breathe. On the master, Limit makes the final statement. Our tech house track is loud, punchy, and professional. Every transient is controlled, the stereo field is intact, and you have the headroom you need for streaming, clubs, or further mastering. From individual tracks to the master bus, Limit provides transparent, top-quality limiting for all scenarios. Clean peaks, preserved dynamics, no coloration, no hype. Trust Limit to keep your sound natural, controlled, and professional.